There are two major losers in today's NFL trade deadline. Starting it off with the New Orleans Saints. They're giving up key pieces and they're not building for the future. Not really sure what they're thinking down there, but I would not be happy if I was a Saints fan. The second major loser today in the NFL is the New England Patriots, who just did nothing. I think they have a good team and they have good momentum, but they needed a few key pieces. I think they're going to try to rebuild in the draft this year. Not rebuild, but gain momentum of what they have going on now. But I don't think they're planning for a Super Bowl this year. And the three other major teams that did a lot today: Jets, Colts, and the Cowboys. I'm not really sure how it's going to pan off for the Colts going this year. They are building right now. The Jets are going to be good in about 2 years with all those draft picks. And the Cowboys, I'm seeing good and bad. They gave up Micah Parsons this year, saved a lot of that contract, and they go pick up Quinnen Williams on the D line. I think that defense needs a lot more than one player. Like, follow, and comment down below your biggest winners and losers today and which you wish would have happened for your team.